Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're reviewing a top-rated product for newborn feeding, the Lifefactory BPA-Free Stage 1 Silicone Nipples. If you're a parent looking for safe, durable, and thoughtfully designed bottle nipples, this is one of the best options for babies aged 0 to 3 months. These nipples come in a pack of 2 and are specifically designed for newborns. Stage 1 provides the slowest flow rate, ideal for babies who are just learning to feed. The slow flow closely mimics breastfeeding, helping your baby transition smoothly whether you're combining bottle and breast or using bottles exclusively. A standout feature is the vented design. Each nipple includes a built-in vent that reduces air intake, a major cause of colic and gas. That means greater comfort during feeding and fewer sleepless nights caused by tummy discomfort. The material also sets these nipples apart. They're made from high-quality silicone, soft and gentle for your baby while offering long-lasting durability. They're BPA-free and tested to meet FDA standards, giving parents confidence in the safety of every feeding session. These nipples are fully compatible with Lifefactory's 4 ounces and 9 ounces glass baby bottles. No need to switch nipples when changing bottle size. It's one more way this product simplifies life for new parents. They're also dishwasher safe. Just place them on the top rack and cleaning becomes quick and easy. A big plus when your daily routine is already packed. The quality is clear from the moment you use them. They're made in France, which is known for high standards in baby product manufacturing. They're crafted with precision and built to last. While today's focus is Stage 1, Lifefactory also offers Stage 2, Stage 3, and a Y-cut version. As your baby grows and their feeding needs change, you can stay with the same trusted brand and simply switch flow stages. As for price, Stage 1 nipples typically start around $7.25 depending on the seller. It's a fair price for a product that directly affects your baby's comfort and feeding success. To wrap things up, the Lifefactory BPA-Free Stage 1 Silicone Nipples check all the essential boxes. Safe materials, slow flow, vented design, dishwasher-friendly, and excellent compatibility. They're reliable, thoughtfully engineered, and supportive of your baby's earliest feeding stages. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more smart product breakdowns that help you make confident buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.